Hi, my name is Joanna and today I'm going to be sharing with you 7 100% free PDF short patterns. I've pulled together a wide variety of shorts and they include a skort and they also include a pattern for kids, and they all have 100% free PDF downloads for the patterns that you can print out and put together. But just quickly, hi, my name is Joanna and I like making sewing content. So if you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. The more people watch and like my content, the more I feel energized to make new videos. So thank you to everyone who's been so encouraging and for all the feedback I got on my last video. So hopefully this one is even better. Now let's get straight into it. Firstly, I want to give a shout out to Joanna Blüm Studio. That is Blüm spelled B-L-U-M with an umlaut on the U. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Joanna, who also happens to have a great name, posts some free patterns on her website, and just literally like 3 days ago posted this shorts pattern, so I thought I had to include it in this video. And these kind of shorts are actually like similar to the first garments I started making, so they're really perfect for beginners. They have an elasticated waistband and they have pockets. They're also super comfortable and perfect for literally everything, whether that's gardening, working from home, sleeping, you get the idea. And I also absolutely love the strawberry print that the sample has been sewn in. I am a huge sucker for a strawberry print. Now onto something a bit more sporty, and this is an athletic skort. And if you don't know what a skort is, it's basically a skirt. Well, it's shorts, but it looks like a skirt, if that makes sense. Skorts are really having a moment. This summer I've been seeing them loads. I normally do my local park run every week and I always see skorts there, so I feel like I need to make myself a pair. But they're not just for running, they could be for tennis, for yoga, or even for swimming if you made them out of a swimwear fabric and paired them with a bikini top or a swimsuit. I think that's what they've done in the sample, they've paired it with a swimsuit. There's also a hidden pocket on the inside, and you can fit your phone or keys in it. And as someone who works out quite a bit, this pattern is being added to my long list of things that I want to make at some point as soon as possible. I couldn't leave a classic high-rise paper bag short pattern out of this video. This is the Piper shorts pattern and apparently comes together very easily, and it's also suitable for beginners. Paper bag shorts get their name because they kind of have that scrunch up effect around the waist, as you can see here. And they normally have some sort of added tie, which you can see in the sample has been tied into a nice bow. I also love the patch pockets you can sew onto this pattern, and you can wear it with so many different styles of tops. It really is a wardrobe staple. For intermediate sewers or beginners who are looking for more of a challenge, this pattern is the wide leg pants. It's by In the Folds and it's available to download from Peppermint magazine for free. There is a blog post on the Benina website, which I will link down below, which tells you how you can convert this pair of trousers into a pair of shorts, and apparently it's really easy to do. The main challenge on this pattern is learning how to sew a front fly zip. Front fly zips may look really scary to learn to sew, but they're super easy once you know how to do them, and you'll be wanting to sew them into every pair of trousers and shorts you sew because they're really satisfying to make. The sample of these shorts looks so comfortable, stylish. I love the fabric choice and the fit on the model is really great. The next pair of shorts is a pattern for all ages, so kids as well as adults, and they've got a very sporty feel to them, but as you can see from the sample, they've been sewn up in a cotton for a more everyday wear look, and I'm obsessed with the classic Strawberry Thief Liberty print that they've used here. The pattern will also give you a chance to practice making bias binding, which is also super satisfying, and also attaching it to a curve, which is a really cool skill to have. If you haven't made bias binding before, I will link my favorite YouTube tutorial down below. And for this pattern, you could even use a contrast bias binding to make the shorts even more unique. Next up is a pattern just for kids, so if you like sewing children's clothes, this might be for you. The Monkey Bar skirt is a free pattern. It's made from knit fabric and has a pair of shorts built in underneath, and technically it's not a skort because it does look like a skirt entirely on the outside, but it's cleverly integrated shorts that go underneath the skirt and are sewn in, make it perfect for playing outside. The construction on these is really neat, and I'm wondering whether I could like scale it up to make myself a pair. And last but not least are the Kelsey Bermuda shorts from Tiana's closet. These feature deep pockets on the front, which is always amazing for fitting your phone, your keys, your wallet, and everything in. And they also have an elasticated waistband. They're the perfect addition to a summer wardrobe, and they are great if you want to cover up a bit more of your legs. Bermuda style shorts can be styled in so many different ways. They are so versatile. You can use them for going to the beach, over a swimsuit. You can wear them with a crop top and go to dinner. They're just very versatile and great to have in your wardrobe. In summer, I basically live in shorts when I'm working from home, and these ones always feature an elasticated waist for maximum comfort. Also, shorts are really good for using up fabric remnants because they don't require that much fabric. And also you could sew together like some scraps of fabric, maybe some patchworking to make shorts, which would look really cool. You can find links for everything you need to make all of these shorts down in the description box below, and please comment down below if you have any plans to make any of these. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more sewing content like this, please feel free to subscribe. Happy sewing! Bye!